granola. I am so hungry I could eat this bowl. It is so hard, so hard, y'all, to have healthy snacks that actually taste good. You about have to make them yourself. So I have finally devised a method of not feeling guilty when I snack. If you want to go vegan, if you want to go plant-based, I got the snacks for you. So today we are going to make some delicious, do you know what they are? Coconut, peanut butter, hemp seed, spirulina, chlorella, blow your mind everything, chocolate chip balls. Yes, and they're vegan. So, let me show you. Let me show you what's become addicting to me. I have lined up my products like so, and let's get it going. Okay, first we're going to start off with the Coconut Manna, the best part of the whole entire thing. It's not cheap, but it lasts a really long time. See how much this is? Oh, that is so much. Take a look. Take a look. Y'all are going to be like, how come you don't measure? What are the measurements? I don't cook by measuring, okay? See? Peanut butter. There we go. It's about half and half, I'd say. Now I'm going to, for you guys, put in a little bit of maple syrup. I typically wouldn't, but a lot of you would like this. Maybe it's running all over the place. It's about a tablespoon. So you can cut back on how much sugar you're using because a little bit of salt makes you taste the sugar more. Just giving it a good mix here. Now we're going to put in some oats. This is going to be sort of the bulk of what's going on here. Okay. We're going to put it in the refrigerator to let it set. And if you don't want to stick your hands in a nasty sticky mess, like sticking your hands in a jar of peanut butter, you have to give all of these fatty flavors something to cling to. And so the bulk of these balls are going to be the oats, okay? You put just a little more oats in, but that's about good. And then I'm going to add coconut. That'll be the other filler. Have some shredded coconut. So now we get down to the nutritious parts. These are hemp seeds. We are going to get not only protein from this, but we are going to get some of our omega-3s. 3 tablespoons. And when I buy hemp hearts, these are actually, they're shelled, okay? I order these off of my favorite website, vitacost.com. In goes the spirulina. See how much I've got here? Look at the color on that. That's probably how much I'm using. And now we have the chlorella, which is my favorite. It has kind of a natural nutty flavor and a little bit of saltiness to it. Kind of all of these green powders, algae, superfoods. Chlorella is the one I like the best, and I can tolerate the flavor the most. This is a much darker green, as you can see. Okay, you're also going to want to do just some sort of a tray and some wax paper. When we form the balls, we'll put that in the fridge, and that's how they're going to harden. So I'm going to start tossing it together because it's kind of like, you know, a little bit dry. And some dark chocolate chips. That is plenty. You see that? That's plenty. The powder gets everywhere, by the way, so like wipe your countertops off with a rag afterwards because you might find residual green dust just sort of popping up. I'm really just squeezing with my hands like this. And it's starting to stick together. It's evenly incorporating the peanut butter and the coconut oil because that's what holds this all together. And I'm helping to melt that coconut oil. So this is the texture. You see that? It's not going to be super sticky. It's my job to now take this in my hands and squeeze hard. Squeeze. And you'll see that the little balls are starting to form because I squeeze it. And now I put that on my little tray. I have made so far, let me show you what these little balls look like, okay? So when you buy coconut water, they get that from the baby coconuts. When you buy coconut oil or coconut milk, they get that from the adult coconuts. So the coconut manna is made from the adult coconut. They take the meat and they basically pulverize it down into a thick paste. The same thing that you would do when you're grinding a nut to make a nut butter. All of the oil is released, but all the fiber is ground up and kept in there at the same time. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm so excited. Okay, look. They're like hard as a rock now, see? And that's because the coconut oil has hardened, and so now the balls are not going to fall apart. Okay, let's go for it. So good. Tastes like coconut and peanut butter. And they're delicious, and you're going to love these. And if you have some good snack recipes, share them with me. Maybe I'll try it out. I think I want another one.